Unboxing and parts check. Use the mechanical key to open the roof box for the first time. Check all parts. Set up the fingerprint lock. Open cover. Insert 3 multiplus AA per side. First admin print. Press 7 seconds to activate. Release when blue light flashes 3 times. Pink indicator shows fingerprint registration is active. Repeat 4 times. On 5th short press, blue flashes 3 times and unlocks. Fingerprint setup complete. Add user print. Press and hold 7 seconds. Release when blue flashes 3 times. Pink indicator shows ready. Admin fingerprint press to authorize. Blue flashes 3 times to confirm success. Short press the user fingerprint. Lift when the blue light appears. Repeat 4 times. On the 5th short press, the blue light flashes 3 times. User fingerprint successfully registered. To clear all fingerprints, press and hold the reset button for 3 seconds. When the red and blue lights flash alternately, the reset is complete. Install and use motion sensor light. Open the magnetic cover and insert 3 AAA batteries. Snap the lighting to the slot inside the roof of the roof box. In low light, the light turns on automatically when opened. How to use the full-width tail light. The tail light is powered by tri-spark, which is charged via solar panel on roof box. The charging cable is stored in the included field storage bag. Move the brightness switch to adjust the tail light. There are 3 brightness levels. Extend crossbar installation. Install the top rubber strip on the crossbar and trim to fit. Snap in the end caps. Ensure the thicker side faces the front of the vehicle. Set the distance between the crossbars to about 70 centimeters. Pre-tighten all feet with a wrench, then tighten again evenly to prevent uneven stress. Measure and cut the bottom rubber strip, then install. Firmly shake the bars to check stability. Lock the mounting foot covers to complete installation. Adjust the roof box position. Adjust its front to back position so it doesn't block the trunk from opening. Adjust the left to right position so the roof box is centered and not tilting. Install click-hold clamps. Open the clamp arms fully and place them in the mounting slots. Pull the red locking lever, then check and tighten further to ensure the clamp grips both sides of the crossbar. Finally, press down the locking cover. Repeat for all 4 clamps. Shake the roof box. If it doesn't move, installation is correct. Use rail tie storage system. Slide the buckle along the aluminum rail to desired position. Insert the strap into the buckle and pull tightly to secure items in place. Close roof box properly. Close the lid and press down firmly. Make sure the red warning on the sliding unlock key is hidden. Open the lid, relock, or press the 3 4-bar hinges. Locks firmly until the red indicator disappears. Both sides can be unlocked with fingerprints. Do not open both lids at the same time. How to use tri-spark. The tri-spark can be removed from the roof box and used as a power bank. It has 2 Type-C and 1 USB-A outputs for charging phones, tablets, and other devices. Press the power button for 3 seconds to turn the camping light on or off. Short press the mode button to change color temperature, then twist to steplessly adjust brightness. Quickly press the power button 3 times to turn the SOS emergency light on or off.